Welcome to this Lenze video training. In this episode, we will show you how to add remote access services to your machine. We begin in the Fleet Manager of X4 Remote. Remember, you can always switch to the Fleet Manager using the App menu in the upper right corner. Select the device you want to add a service to. The machine settings will open. To add a service to your machine, click on the plus icon in the Services section of the sidebar and select your desired service. Available are a VNC server, HTTP server, and a WebSocket server, as well as a data source. We will discuss setting up data sources in another video. Let's add a VNC server to the machine. The settings will open. Enter a name for your new VNC service and the IP address and port of the VNC server you want to connect to. If your VNC server requires authentication, click the checkbox and enter the required password. Afterwards, select an access category for the service and, if necessary, enable read-only mode. If you encounter problems with your VNC service, you can adjust the encoding and color depth of the service here. Click Add to add the service. Next, let's add an HTTP service to display the website of the PLC in the machine. To do this, click on the plus icon in the Services menu and select the HTTP server. The settings will open, allowing you to add a name for your new service and the protocol to be used. Next, enter the IP address and port of the HTTP server. If you want to open a specific page when accessing the server, you can set the appropriate page in the default landing page field. Finally, select an access category for the new service and click Add to add the service to your machine. The new HTTP service will now appear in the sidebar under Services and can be used by all users with the correct access category. Let's add a WebSocket service next. To do this, click on the plus icon in the Services menu and select WebSocket Server. Add a name for the new WebSocket service and select the protocol to be used. Available are WebSocket and WebSocket Secure. Then enter the IP address and port of the WebSocket server. Select an access category for the new service and click Add to add the service to your machine. The new service will now be listed in the Services section of the sidebar. Finally, whenever you change the service or network configuration of a device, make sure to push the new configuration to the device by clicking the Push Config to Device button in the upper right corner of the screen. The button will appear blue if the configuration needs to be updated. This concludes our video on adding services to your machine. If you want to learn more, take a look at our videos about adding data sources or setting up cloud logging, linked below.